If you're over 60 and feel like your arms or legs are getting weaker each year, you're not alone. It's not just aging. It's something called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle that happens when your body stops repairing itself as efficiently. But here's the shocking truth. The one food most seniors rely on, bone broth, isn't the muscle builder you've been told it is. In fact, it may be one of the least effective ways to restore real strength after 60. Let's break down why. And the one surprising food that rebuilds muscle faster than bone broth ever could. Most people think bone broth works because it's rich in collagen and protein. But studies show collagen protein is incomplete. It's missing the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle fibers. What does that mean for you? Your body might digest it, but your muscles get almost nothing out of it. That's why, even after weeks of drinking bone broth, you might still feel weak, stiff, or sore. Now here's the real game changer. Eggs, especially the yolk, and high-quality plant protein like lentils or soy. These foods contain the amino acid leucine, which switches on your body's muscle-building signal, even in adults over 60. Research from the University of Illinois found that older adults who ate leucine-rich foods twice a day increased their muscle mass by up to 40%, faster than those who only relied on collagen or bone broth. Here's what you can do starting today. Breakfast: 2 boiled eggs with a slice of whole grain toast. Lunch or dinner: add half a cup of lentils, chickpeas, or tofu. Snack: a handful of almonds or a scoop of whey protein and milk. This simple combo feeds your muscles with real rebuilding fuel, not just empty collagen. And don't forget, movement multiplies the effect. Even light exercises like seated leg lifts, slow squats by a chair, or gentle resistance bands tell your body to use that protein for growth. In just a few weeks, you'll notice firmer arms, stronger legs, and more energy when you get up from a chair. So next time someone tells you to drink more bone broth, you'll know the truth. It's not about sipping soup. It's about feeding your muscles the right way. Because strong muscles don't just help you move. They keep your heart, bones, and brain young too. If this helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend over 60, and subscribe for more simple science-based health tips.